DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when e concern
DJM TV.
And boys for area don paro dem dey vex say now that chanting no more SARS. Na the matter as e dey happen na so e be. We are live here at the city of Benin with the protest of no more SARS. And this is the Abbas Palace.
My name is Osagio, a son of this land, a son of this soil. We came out peacefully because of the brutalization. My name is Osagio. We are here on behalf of all the youths in Edo State because we are tired of the brutalization. We don't have peace, no freedom. We cannot work without our phone. We are living our own life independently. We are not living for the government. But why are we afraid of SARS? We have a good question. We have no rights, no fundamental human rights. We need them to give us our rights. Yes. Let us have our rights. Yes. We are not for crime. We are intellectual brain leaders. We deal with our brain to make sure. Please, talk to them.
Who again can talk to us?
Anybody, we are all here. Yes.
Yes. You're welcome. Say your name.
We are tired of SARS. We came here in this protest. We just came to appeal to the governor and our of Benin. We want them to stop the harassment of boys and girls. We want SARS to end. We want the allegations of illegal arrest. Police brutality. We don't tire.
Give me your phone. Let me get my phone. I tell all of you are talking. Listen to me. If I tell all of you are talking, you are not talking. You are making
one person.
You will come and talk. Stop.
Wait. No, leave her. She's even putting this in the
See, somebody wants to talk. That person wants to talk.
My name is Akilari SARS is special anti-robbery squad are meant for criminals, for crime scenes. None of us are criminals, none of us are robbers. We are not armed. We have houses, we have money to make money to get a house.
Who are these youths? Who are they?
All of us here, we are youth, we are graduates. We have to are graduates. Can you hear me?
Man away.
I I graduated from the University of Benin. I'm done with serving. I'm looking for a job. I'm earning a 20,000 salary. If I get a power of 5,000, it's not a crime. It's not a crime to look me. It's personal hygiene to look me. Before that I look you, nothing me as doing fraud. Do you understand me? Then when you search my phone, you see that I'm duty free. You will take to one side, find me something else. For what? For what? That's our thing.
Your phone is a privacy. Your phone.
My phone is my privacy. My picture. What about your phone? It's for me. It's for me. It's too much. We have lost our friends. We are tired.
Baby, shout. Talk to the girl. Talk to the girl. Yeah. Oga, see, Oga. Yes. See. This is City of Benin. Boys the verse. As it is, I cannot speak English. Now pidgin, bend the verse. Then they paranoid. If you want me to go back there, hold up already. I'm not holding our hand together. Push everybody go back. See, hold your hand together. 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 Join one place. Hold your hand together. Push everybody go back small. Hold your hand together. Hold your brother. Hold your brother. Holding hand, holding hand, holding hand. Upper, holding hand, push and go back. Upper.
You came out today.
You don't know who will be the next victim, so everybody has to. No, if you don't stand like this,
if you dress on it, you have some trouble.
I do. You know, together is in love.
No, it's the truth.
Maybe I should go back.
Yeah, it's also.
DJA TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJA TV.